Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, we are on our WhatsApp right now, and now I want to copy a text. So let's just go to this chat right now, and then from here, as you can see, we got a text right over here. So first of all, to copy the text, you need to select, tap and hold the message like this, and then on the upper side you will see three dots like this. All right, so tap on the three dots, just tap on it, and then you will see a copy button right in front of yours. So tap on the copy, and that's pretty much it. And then if you want to paste the same message to anywhere, just tap and hold again to the message section like this, and then you will see a paste button right in front of yours. So tap on the paste and message will be pasted anywhere. So that's how you can simply do this thing. I hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.